Encountering "can't connect to this network" issues on Windows 11? I'll share fixes to resolve this problem. Stay tuned for solutions to ensure seamless and stable network connections on your system. Navigate to the desktop and press Alt plus F4 to launch the Shutdown Windows box. Click on the "What do you want the computer to do" the drop-down menu and select Restart from the list of options. Click on OK to restart the Windows 11 PC. Press Windows plus I to launch the Settings app. Select Network and Internet from the tabs listed in the navigation pane on the left. Click on Wi-Fi. Press on Manage Known Networks. Next, click on the Forget button next to the network you are facing trouble connecting to. Now, go back to the Wi-Fi settings and click on Show Available Networks. Select the network and click on the Connect button. If required, enter the password for it. Press Windows plus S to launch the search menu. Enter Device Manager in the text field at the top and click on the relevant search result that appears. Double-click on the network adapters entry to view the various devices listed under it. Next, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver from the context menu. Select Search automatically for drivers from the two options in the Update Drivers window. Windows will now search for the best available driver on the computer and install it for the Wi-Fi adapter. Press Windows plus I to launch the Settings app. Select Windows Update from the tabs listed in the navigation pane on the left. Next, click on Check for Updates to scan for any available newer versions available for download. Press Windows plus I to launch the settings. Click on Troubleshoot on the right in the System tab. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Next, look for the Network Adapter Troubleshooter and click on the Run button next to it. Choose the type of network adapter you are facing trouble with and click on Next at the bottom. Wait for the troubleshooting to complete. Choose the appropriate response when prompted and execute the recommendations listed at the end, if any. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.